Hi everyone, today I will try to uh, show you how to solve the classic pipeline. So let's see if you see here, if you would like to create a pipeline. So you cannot see the classical pipeline. And to do so, to enable classic pipeline, we have to go to the project settings. And if you go here to pipelines and settings, and we can see here disable creation of classic pipelines or disable creation of classic release pipelines. So you can see here it's on, disabling it's on. But as you can see here it's also gray, we can't do it. So to do this we need to go to the organizational or DevOps and go to the organizational settings, and right here you can see the pipelines, and we go to settings, and now we know we need to disable all of these. Now let's go back to our project or organization, and yeah, to also to this project. Let's check pipelines, and you can see here we also get some other release and libraries. Let's see create pipeline. Yeah, now we have this classic pipeline. Yeah, I would like also to show you something. It's not easy to, let's say, to do. So if you are creating if you have many organizations and you would like to delete some of these, so if you go here, and go to the projects, you have only one project, but go to the overview of this organization, and you can from here you can delete this organization. That's it. Thanks for watching.